Hello, this is my English project. I am talking about the Brazilian intelligence agency. When was it established? It was established on December 7th, 1999. Why was it established? While the armed forces still maintain limited special intelligence units, most of Brazil's intelligence community is civilian. The BIA replaced the Strategic Affairs Secretariat. What has been its use through history? The Brazilian intelligence agency have responsible for the collection, analysis and exploitation of information in support of law enforcement, national security, military and foreign policy objectives. When was its existence acknowledged? In 1999, a federal law finally established officially the ABIN as the central organ of the Brazilian intelligence system. Who does the organization answer to? The member elements in the executive branch are directed and controlled by the respective department heads, all cabinet-level officials reporting to the president. Has it been misused by the government? No, because they use the agency to special things and for big emergencies where the citizens are in danger. Are any positive results known that the organization has provided for the country? Yes, because they have prevented some little attacks from terrorists. What are some of its tasks? The main function is to investigate real and potential threats to the Brazilian society and government and defend the democratic rule of law. What is the intelligence with reference to intelligence gathering agencies? Intelligence agencies can provide these services. They can give warnings for early crises, defense planning and military operations, and protect secret information. What is counterintelligence? It is an organized activity of an intelligence service designed to block an enemy's sources of information. Under what conditions can a government agency legitimately conduct surveillance of a citizen? Government surveillance may be done for intelligence collection or law enforcement investigation, for counterintelligence monitoring, political intelligence, or for social control. What is political accountability? Governments are accountable if voters can discern whether governments are acting in their interest and sanction them appropriately. What is horizontal control? Horizontal government is an umbrella term that covers a range of approaches to policy development, service delivery issues, and management practices. Is the agency building visible from Google Earth? Yes, it is. Does the agency act independently of the government? No, they are backed by the government when they need it. Does the agency commit human rights abuses? No, they don't do that. They supervise so that they are fulfilled. And this is all. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy it.